Hello friends, today I'm going to read a book about penguins. And that's why I dressed like a penguin to read the penguin book. This book is called Penguin Problems. Did you know that penguins have problems? Well, we're going to find out what those penguin problems are. So the title is Penguin Problems, and the author is Jory John, and the illustrator is Lane Smith. Okay, so penguin problems. Do you see this one guy right here? Yeah, he's the one that has the problems. All right, penguin problems. It's way too early. My beak is cold. What's with all the squawking, you guys? Squawk, 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 squawk. It snowed more last night, and I don't even like snow. And it's way too bright out here. Man, he's having a hard time, isn't he? I'm hungry. I'd like a fish. Where are all the fish? Hey, fish, get out here. The ocean smells too salty today. And I'm not buoyant enough. I sink like a dumb rock. Buoyant, that's a fun word. Buoyant means that you can float. And he says he's not buoyant enough. So he sinks. And look how sad he looks about it. Okay. It's way too dark down here. I said brr. Oh, great. A leopard seal. Oh, great. A shark. Oh, great. An orca. What is it with this place? I don't like being hunted. And I'm still hungry. And my flippers ache. Oh, his flippers ache. That means they hurt really bad. Poor penguin. I waddle too much, and I look silly when I waddle. See?
Thank you.
I wish I could fly, but I can't. See? Yeah, penguins don't fly. Everybody looks the same as me. And I look the same as everybody else. I bet that's frustrating. Mom? Yeah. I literally have no idea who you are. Dad? I literally have no idea what you're talking about. My name is Mortimer. I have so many problems, and nobody even cares. Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. I sense that today has been difficult, but lo, look around you, penguin. Have you noticed the way the mountains are reflected in the ocean like a painting? Have you gazed upon the blue of that cloudless winter sky, my friend? Have you felt the sun as it gently warms your back? Have you simply stood with your penguin brothers and sisters and elders who adore you? Yes. some things are challenging out here. Yes, we have difficult moments, from the walruses to the polar bears, from the whales to the penguins. But hear me now, my new friend, I wouldn't trade my life for any other. And I am quite sure you wouldn't either. I am certain that when you think about it, you'll realize you are exactly where you need to be. Please think about what I said. Goodbye for now. Who the heck was that guy? Why do strangers always talk to me? Walruses don't understand penguin problems. Okay. Maybe that walrus did have a point. After all, I do love the mountains. And the ocean. And the sky. And I have friends and family, and this is my only home, and this is my only life, and maybe things will work out after all. But my beak is cold, and it gets dark way too early. Isn't that a fun book? Yeah, the penguin had problems, but he also figured out how to enjoy where he was. So I guess that we can choose to be happy and choose to enjoy ourselves, even though we might not be where we wanted to be. Okay? All right. I hope you enjoyed the book. I hope you like my hat and my bow tie. And I hope you have a wonderful day.